Hi everybody, welcome back to another video of Nature Kids where I'll be doing part 2 of Geography first lesson, English medium grade 9. And if you've been there for my part 2 video, you probably know that the topic is the Asian region. But if you haven't watched part 1, I suggest watching it first because this is going to be a bit confusing if you didn't watch it. Anywho, if you did, let's get started with the lesson. Climate. The Earth is divided into three main climatic zones based on temperature differences from the equator to the poles. Tropical zone, warm climate, hot throughout the year with temperatures above 18 Celsius. Temperature zone, mild climate, moderate temperatures with clear warm and cold seasons. Frigid zone, the cold climate. Very cold areas where snow falls is common and land stays covered with snow for long periods. Since Asia stretches from equator to the North Pole, all three climatic zones can be found there. Distribution of the main climatic zones in Asia. This is a picture from your textbook and you better study this. You can see on the screen that we have the temperature zone and the frigid zone and the tropical zone there. Just study where these things are because they might pop up in the term test. The types of climate that exist in the Asia continent. For climatic zones, we have tropical, temperature, and frigid. Climatic type we have for tropical, we have tropical rainy climate, tropical monsoon climate, tropical savanna climate, and warm desert climate. For temperature, we have warm temperature climate and wet temperature climate. For frigid, we have polar and tundra climate and mountain climate. For tropical in the tropical side, for tropical rainy, we have Java and Sumatra islands for examples. And tropical monsoon climate, we have India, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar. For tropical savanna climate, we have North and Northeast India and Bangladesh. For warm desert climate, we have India, Thar Desert, Middle East countries. I don't know why it says Est, but that's how it's in the book, so it's East, not Est. Warm temperature climate. Areas surrounded the Mediterranean Sea. And wet temperature climate, some examples are East China and Japanese islands. For polar tundra climate, we have Siberian region and the northern parts of Asia. And mountain climate, we have regions surrounded the mountain range of the Himalaya. And here's something that you might want to study for your term test because it's in your book and it's highlighted. 2 things why you should study this. Anyway, just study this. This is about a small city which has the highest temperature of the whole year and the lowest temperature. It's in Pakistan and one's called Jacobabad, and just study this and you will pass or you will die. Anyway, next page. And anyway, in the next page, we have natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation changes from region to region according to differences in rainfall and temperature. Therefore, plants and wildlife adapt to the climate of each area. Tropical zone. Tropical rainforests. Tropical evergreen forests are found in areas with high temperatures and heavy rainfall throughout the year. Tall trees such as mahogany, ebony, bamboo, and sandalwood grow here. These forests have many layers and rich biodiversity with creepers, moss, lichens, and epiphytes. Many animals live in these forests, including monkeys, reptiles, snakes, fish, tigers, leopards, deer, and sambar. frigid zone, also known as coniferous forest. The specific characteristic of this climatic zone with taiga and tundra climate is the prevalence of longer cold season. Coniferous forests are situated in this region. The trees are in a shape of a cone so as to resist snowfall. Leaves are in shape of needles. The species of trees grow here are pine, spruce, fir, oak, and larch. Reindeer, polar bear, snow fox, snow dog, sable, and mink are animal species that can be seen here. Now we're going to talk about the temperature zone, which is also called deciduous forest. And at the temperature part, at the deciduous too. Practically, it's temperature deciduous forest. Deciduous forests grow in the temperature zone where warm and cold seasons occur during the year. A main feature of these forests is that trees shed their leaves annually. Trees such as oak, mulberry, chestnut, pine, and eucalyptus grow here. Animals like wolves, bears, sambar deer, and antelopes live in these forests. Human landscape of the Asia region. Ancient human civilization. Many ancient civilizations were established near river valleys. The major river valley civilizations were Euphrates and Tigris, Huanghe, Indus, and Nile civilizations. Except for the Nile civilization, the other three were located in Asia. The Indus River flows through present-day Pakistan and India and falls into the Arabian Sea near Karachi. The ancient cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa developed in this river valley. Another advanced civilization developed around Anyang city is the Huanghe, also known as Yellow River Valley in China. The Mesopotamian civilization was established between Euphrates and Tigris rivers in present-day Iraq. These civilizations were known for planned cities, buildings, monuments, agriculture, and artistic productions. That's all for today, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, please do it. It makes me happy. Anywho, bye. And I have to do the next video. So, yeah. Got a lot of work to do. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, bye.